And now it's time for Development Debates, where we dig deeper into some of the questions shaping the future and present of China. Today, our debate topic is whether it's fair to set age thresholds for household registration applicants. With the upcoming college graduation season during the summer, there will be a huge amount of newly graduated going out of campus and seeking jobs. Unfortunately, due to the country's slowed down economic growth rate, this year's employment market has been considered as, quote, the most difficult season in recent years. Data shows that in Beijing during the summer, there will be around 230,000 college graduates leaving campus seeking for working opportunities. However, so far, the working contract signing rate among these college graduates is just about 28%, meaning more than two-thirds are still searching for jobs. Beijing municipal government regulates that only new graduates can have the qualification to apply for Beijing household registration, or normally known as hukou in Chinese. Once they've been hired by enterprises and within certain age limits of applicants. However, this year, the policy has been tightened stricter than before. According to Caixin.com, in April this year, the Beijing Bureau of Human Resource and Social Security announced that for newly graduated, those who apply for Beijing hukou have been employed by local companies. The maximum age for bachelor degree applicants should be no more than 24 years old, while for master's degree holders, no older than 27, and for doctors, they must be younger than 35 years old. However, just a few days ago, the Ministry of Education declares it too strictly forbidden for local governments to implement employment discrimination policies. But Beijing municipal government doesn't see the age restriction of the hukou as discrimination. Chinese media are debating whether it's necessary for local governments to set age thresholds for graduates seeking to apply for the hukou. Also, how the government should find the balance between controlling city population and maintain social equity. In response that the new regulation discriminates between local and non-local residents, government officials declare that setting the age threshold is to optimize talent's age structure and avoid competition between the newly graduated. Besides, government officials also emphasize this policy is not for targeting certain groups of people. It is just a guideline for companies when they are hiring employees. However, Zheng Ge, assistant professor at University of Hong Kong, shows different opinion. Although Zheng admits it's very necessary to control Beijing's population, it is not appropriate to achieve that goal by sacrificing vulnerable groups' benefits. Most college graduates that hope to work in the city are not only because of the advanced infrastructures, medical system, and high-end hardware facilities, but also the impartial employment circumstance that much better than other cities throughout the country. By contrast, in some small cities, the best positions are monopolized by the locally powerful and wealthy people. These situations leave no space for ordinary people's career development. Instead of setting hukou applicant age thresholds, Zhang suggests the Chinese government needs to put more effort on breaking the current inherent employment market and try to create more equitable environment nationwide. Apart from that, Zhang also points out so far it's useless to control the capital city's population via hukou quota, since it is undeniable that a huge number of people without Beijing hukou are still living in the city. And during the 2010 National Population Census, among the 20 million population in Beijing, about one-third is non-local residents, and this number is continuing to increase. While China continues its urbanization process, the outdated household registration system is no longer suitable for current situation, and its relative reforms would gradually become inevitable. The new age limits of Beijing's new regulation has yet to be tested as wise or not as a city's growth management policy.